how much of the information is blown out or underexposed. And of course, the slow motion on the Arri Alexa is pretty awesome. Now with all that in mind, if we go back to Romina's footage, we can really